Hello everyone. Well, it's time to get busy building the float for Mardi Gras. Come join us next weekend when we're hoping for warmer, sunnier weather. We're going to be working on applying coroplast to a decorative wall. We're making masks to trim the sides of the float. So come help us cut the mask templates out and get started on that work. There's always plenty to do, so come on down and give us a hand. Bring your jigsaws, your sawhorses, your staple guns, and your hot glue guns, and come ready to have a great time working on the float.
This is the new parade float, and it's been named the Black Beauty for obvious reasons. And notice that the bed is bare because these gentlemen here are going to be putting new wood on the bottom of it. So these pieces of wood will be cut to size. Sam McVicker and others we'll be putting everything together.
You're right inside there?
Tell they're all busy, so they don't have any time to talk.
18 foot 1 inch. 18 feet 1 inch. Now we got to go inside.
18 feet 1 inch, it says.
I'm right to here, Steve.
It's John.
Yeah, we want it inside.
I know. We'll get it.
Huh?
And the fringy stuff comes in colors. We don't have to just stick with the Mardi Gras trio. If you want like a purple and a green and a whatever, or it can all be.
But we're going to have to put this on probably last for the
The
fading.
other ones weren't. They
Yes.
were right at the edge. The old
Yes,
ones
the
were
last
right
week.
at the edge.
Makes sense.
Well, how long did it take for that stuff to fade?
The purple, it took
2 days.
Come over. Go that way. There you go. Go right on it. You're going crooked. I got it. You're going crooked though. Yep. Hold it, Dave.
Let him go in first.
You go in? You're in? You don't have to. Hold on. You're in? Bill? All right.
Okay, raise your hand. This ain't.
And a club. We gotta have a hammer, right?
Oh, I thought I had to go in here.
All right, tap it this way.
Now, once it's in, it's the right length. It's just getting it in.
Not gonna go. It should.
It's already starting to split here.
Jim Graham, I didn't realize it was Jim Graham next to me. I'm honored.
Hold on a second. Let me see if we move these boards
Hold on.
to the next one.
How you doing?
Hold on, Bob. I'll move these over one more. Lift up. One more frame. Okay. Okay. There you go.
Okay, let us know when you're ready.
We're ready.
There we go.
Piece of cake.
You want to get
11:20 in the morning,
Actually, yes, we can.
and the
but
trailer is
we didn't buy any
finished.
cross piece. Where's Steve?
No, we don't have any cross pieces.
One, you don't have any cross pieces? Underneath, you're gonna do cross pieces? Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, one dead in the middle.
You know, they do have those,
We have lumber at the